This is my tutorial of how to set up Kali Linux on VirtualBox. For this video, you will need to have VirtualBox set up. If you need any help with that, feel free to check out our link tree and the link listed below for setting up VirtualBox. So let's get started on our installation of Kali. So let's select download and then choosing our platform, which would be virtual machines. So we will be selecting that. And then note that the credentials of the machine would be username Kali, password Kali. I select the VirtualBox icon, and then now I choose where to install it. Note here that I made my own folder, and I will save it there for the sake of organization. So let's let it install.
5 hours later.
So now you can see that the file is installed in a 7Z file format, and it's still compressed. This is a compressed file format, so you would need to decompress it. I'm using 7-zip to decompress it. You can use any other tools, but for the sake of my tutorial, I'm just using 7-zip because I already have it and I've just been using it. So you could download it in the 7-zip site back there. Feel free to use anything else. So once you have 7-zip set up, you can start extracting the file. So you would find the file and select it, then you would press extract. Okay. It's going to take a while to finish extracting, so just keep that in mind because this is just fast forwarded. And now you see we have the extract file ready.
Later.
So now that we have the file, we could go inside it and then click on the VBox file. There, it's set up on VirtualBox, and you could just click it, and it should boot. It's going to take a little while to load. We log in, password Kali, username Kali, and we're in. Now you have Kali Linux. Nice.